Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the mouse sensitivity in Hytale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, make sure you're in the mouse tab. Here, as you can see, you can change the up-down speed. By the default it is set to 3.5. It goes from 0 to 10. I will copy 3.5 to set it to default. You can do likewise for the left to right speed, or left or right speed rather. So up or down, left or right. Simply two vertices of movement. After you make your choice, simply hit Save Changes to, save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.